Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert a YouTube video to MP3. Alright, let's begin. First, download the video from YouTube. Open the YouTube Studio app on your Android device. Tap the Content tab at the bottom of the screen to view your uploaded videos. Select the video you want to download, tap the three dots next to it, and choose Save to Device. Your video will now begin downloading. Next, convert the video to MP3 using a simple method. Open your device's file manager and locate the downloaded video, usually found in the Movies folder. Select the file, then tap More or the three-dot menu. Choose Rename, delete the MP4 extension, and replace it with MP3. Tap OK to save the changes, and the file will be converted to MP3. So that's basically how you can convert a YouTube video to MP3. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.